Hey guys, it's me Liam from Borton Busters, and today we are going to be making our cube a disco ball kind of when we touch it. So I changed the color so I could see it better when I'm in the workspace, and I changed the sky. To change the sky, you just go to the toolbox, go to models, and type in skybox. And you could pick one of these, and I did sunless blue sky, and it'll change your sky for you. And make sure it doesn't have any scripts in it, or it could have had weird pop-ups on your game and stuff like that. So we're going to go to our part, and let's go to our script. And you see the function hit. We're going to put so yesterday we did functions and connecting them, and we are going to be today making variables and if statements, and I'll show you what that means in just a sec. So we're going to say local part, or let's say local cube equals script dot parent. So what this means is the cube, so this all we got to do to customize this is say cube. So local cube equals script dot parent. So what this means is the cube is this part, and it is the script's parent. So this would be the scripts, or the part's child is the script, and the script's parent is the part. So now we don't have to write all this script dot parent out. So we are just going to say if cube dot touched, then I'm going to make a little bit more space. It's kind of easier for you guys to see. And we're going to say cube dot brick color equals brick color dot random. And I'll show you how to make it just one color. So what this means is if this variable or this part is touched, then it will make the cube's brick color, so its color, random. So if we play the game like this, sorry about that guys, I don't know what that was, and then it will make it random colors. Pretty cool, huh? Now if you want it to be one color, I'm just going to make mine red. So let's erase this brick color. We're going to put new, and you guys could fidget around with this stuff. I'm going to make mine red, so if you guys just want yours red, or if you guys want yours blue, then you will have to do 0, 1, 2, I believe. Something like that. But I'm just going to make mine red, so 1, 0, 1, 0. So now if we try this is the color red in Lua code, and if we try this, it will make it so the cube is red. Now I like it random, but you guys can make it whatever color you want. And to find out what color you want, this is a nice little trick for you guys. Whoops. So sorry guys. Yeah. There we go. It's still good for me on there. So if you want to know what color you want, just go to your brick and go to the properties section and go to the brick color, and you will see the color is 2742, and you could just pick a color from here, I guess, and then you could just copy the numbers and paste it in your code for the brick.new. And yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm glad we learned how to make our own kind of disco ball. And if you guys want to look way better, not just like a ball itself, you guys could change this to a circle or whatever part you want. But I'm going to keep it a cube. It's kind of like a disco cube, I guess. And yeah, guys, please make sure to like and subscribe. My goal on YouTube is to get 1,000 subscribers. I'll see you guys later.